Hello, tax professionals. If you already have your EFIN from the IRS, this video is for you. You worked hard to get approved as an authorized e-file provider. Now the question is, are you using that EFIN to its full business potential? Many EFIN holders are still preparing taxes by themselves, paying high software fees, and missing the opportunity to build a team of tax preparers under a structured system. Today, I'm going to show you how Vanguard Insurance and Financial Services can help EFIN holders expand their tax business with professional tax software, training, support, and a team-building model. We help business-minded individuals create additional income opportunities through tax preparation, insurance, and financial services. If you are an EFIN holder and you want to grow from being just a tax preparer into becoming a team leader, this webinar is for you. Here is what many EFIN holders are facing. They are paying too much for tax software. They do not have a simple way to train new preparers. They want to recruit a team, but do not know how to structure it. They are overwhelmed with compliance, bank products, software setup, and support. And many are doing everything alone. But your EFIN gives you an advantage. It allows your business to operate as an authorized e-file provider after IRS approval. The real opportunity is learning how to build a system around it. Tax preparation is not just a seasonal service. It can become a business model. You can prepare returns yourself. You can hire or recruit preparers. You can train beginners. You can offer bank products. You can serve clients remotely. You can build a team that produces revenue during tax season. But to do this properly, you need the right software, training, support, and business structure. That is where we come in. Through our software program, EFIN holders can get access to professional tax software, individual and business return preparation capability, training for new and existing preparers, support with software setup, team building guidance, client intake strategy, marketing ideas, bank product guidance, mentorship for growing your tax business. This is not just about selling software. This is about helping you create a tax preparation system. A lot of software companies provide training videos and onboarding support because they know preparers need more than login access. They need education, practice, and support to succeed. Now, let's talk about building a team. As an EFIN holder, you can position yourself as the leader. You can bring in people who want to become tax preparers, help them get trained, and give them access to a system. Your team members can focus on learning, finding clients, collecting documents, and preparing returns under your business structure, while you maintain oversight, quality control, and compliance. This allows you to stop thinking like a one-person tax office and start thinking like a tax business owner. Now let me be clear. Tax preparation must be done properly. Every paid preparer who prepares or assists with federal tax returns must have a valid PTN. Tax businesses must also protect client information and follow IRS and FTC data security expectations, including safeguards like security plans and multi-factor authentication. So when you build a team, do it the right way. Train your people, protect taxpayer information, use professional software, keep proper records, and make sure everyone understands their responsibilities. Here is why EFIN holders should connect with our program. We understand business growth. We understand tax preparation. We understand recruiting and team building. We help entrepreneurs create additional income opportunities. And we can help you position your tax business for growth instead of doing everything alone. Whether you are already filing returns or preparing for the next tax season, now is the time to get your software, training, and team structure ready. If you are an EFIN holder and you want to pay less for tax software, train new tax preparers, build your own team, offer professional tax preparation, and grow your tax business with support, let's talk about how you can turn your EFIN into a bigger business opportunity. Your EFIN should not just be a number. It can be a great business asset. Stop preparing taxes alone. Stop overpaying for software. Stop trying to figure everything out by yourself. Build a team. Get trained. Get supported. Grow your tax business. I want to personally thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. If you're an EFIN holder or you're considering becoming one, today's presentation could completely change the direction of your tax business. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why most EFIN holders never reach their full income potential, how successful tax business owners build teams instead of working alone, why TaxSlayer Pro has become one of the most powerful software solutions for independent tax offices, how we can help you reduce expenses, increase production, and create an organization of tax preparers, how you can start preparing now for the upcoming tax season. This presentation is especially for EFIN holders, but other entrepreneurs can also benefit from this, such as experienced and new tax preparers, insurance agents, realtors, anyone looking to create an additional income stream. Let's begin with a simple question. Why did you get your EFIN? Most people answer, to prepare taxes. And that's exactly where the problem starts. Many EFIN holders think like tax preparers. Successful EFIN holders think like business owners. There's a huge difference. A tax preparer prepares returns. A tax business owner creates systems. A tax preparer works during tax season. A tax business owner earns income from production generated by multiple preparers. A tax preparer handles every client personally. A tax business owner develops a team that can serve hundreds or thousands of clients. Many EFIN holders spend thousands of dollars on software every year and then only prepare 50 to 100 returns. The software becomes an expense instead of an investment. Imagine owning a restaurant but only serving customers yourself. Imagine owning a real estate brokerage but being the only agent. Imagine owning an insurance agency but refusing to recruit producers. That's exactly what many EFIN holders are doing. They're operating as employees inside their own business. Now let's talk about TaxSlayer Pro. Over the years, I've reviewed numerous software solutions available to professional tax preparers. What I like about TaxSlayer Pro is that it offers the tools needed to help an EFIN holder scale. When you're building a tax business, you need professional tax preparation software, electronic filing capabilities, business return preparation, bank product integration, cloud access office management tools, reporting support, training resources. TaxSlayer Pro provides all of these essential components. But software alone doesn't create success. The software is simply the vehicle. You still need a roadmap. You still need training. You still need support. You still need a strategy. And that's where many preparers fail. They purchase software. Then they spend months trying to figure everything out themselves. By the time tax season arrives, they're still learning basic functions. Instead of wasting valuable time, imagine having someone help you implement a system from day one. That's exactly what we help our partners accomplish. Now let's discuss the exciting part, building a tax preparer team. Many EFIN holders ask, Jean, how can I prepare more returns without working 80 hours per week? The answer is simple. You don't. You build a team. Let's look at an example. Suppose you recruit 5 tax preparers. Each preparer completes 100 returns per season. That's 500 returns. Now imagine 10 preparers. That's 1,000 returns. 20 preparers, 2,000 returns. Now you're thinking like a business owner. This is exactly how successful tax offices grow. They don't rely on one individual. They create systems that allow multiple preparers to work together. At Vanguard Insurance and Financial Services, we teach EFIN holders how to recruit new preparers, train beginners, create onboarding systems, establish office procedures, use TaxSlayer Pro efficiently, manage workflow, increase production, create accountability, develop leadership skills. Because eventually, your business should not depend solely on you. It should operate through systems and people. One of the biggest myths in this industry is that everyone needs prior tax experience. Not true. Some of the best tax preparers started with 0 experience. Potential recruits include insurance agents, real estate agents, college students, teachers, bookkeepers, entrepreneurs, stay-at-home parents, retirees, customer service professionals, people looking for seasonal income. The key is training. When you have proper training and proper software, you can develop new talent. Your goal isn't simply to recruit. Your goal is to create productive team members. One reason I love the tax industry is because it opens the door to other opportunities. When clients trust you with their taxes, they often need life insurance, health insurance, Medicare plans, auto insurance, homeowners insurance, flood insurance, notary services, business formation, financial education. At Vanguard Insurance and Financial Services, we operate in multiple industries. That means we're not dependent on one season. Tax season becomes a lead generation opportunity for year-round business. Imagine preparing taxes for 500 clients. How many need life insurance? How many need Medicare? How many need homeowners insurance? How many need auto insurance? Now you understand why building a tax business can be so powerful. Most tax preparers fail for one reason: lack of training. Not lack of intelligence, not lack of opportunity, lack of training. A person can purchase the best software in the world, but if they don't know how to interview clients, how to review documents, how to identify credits, how to avoid errors, how to market, how to attract clients, how to build referrals, they're going to struggle. This is why our mentorship and support model is so important. We help shorten the learning curve. When you work with Vanguard Insurance and Financial Services, our goal is to help you build a business. Depending on the package selected, you may receive Professional Tax Layer Pro Access, training resources, technical support, team building guidance, business development coaching, marketing ideas, recruiting strategies, operational support, mentorship, networking opportunities. The objective is simple: help you become profitable faster. Success in this business doesn't happen overnight. Every successful tax office started with one client, one preparer, one office, one opportunity. The difference between successful business owners and everyone else is consistency. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats luck. Consistency beats motivation. If you commit to building your business one day at a time, the results will follow. If you're an EFIN holder and you're ready to grow your tax business, reduce software expenses, build a team, generate more revenue, create additional income streams, receive training and support, prepare for the upcoming tax season, I invite you to schedule a consultation with us today. Call or text 954-820-6988. Visit www.yourvanguardfinancialservices.com. Let's discuss your goals, let's discuss your vision, and let's create a strategy that helps you build a tax business that works for you instead of you working for it. Thank you for watching. I look forward to speaking with you soon.